Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to blink LED using Esp8266. So at first I connect the LED Esp8266 with the breadboard, then connect all the LEDs on the breadboard and with Esp8266. So this is the LEDs. This is LEDs and the two pins, one long and two short. The long pins is connect with data pin D01234 and short pins is connect with the ground. So I connect first. I connect this is the LEDs. Connect here. Using this way I connect all the pins. Using the same way I connect all the LEDs, 8 LEDs with ESP8266, and common is connected with the ground. Here you can see one ground is connected with one pins and D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 is connected with the positive terminal of the LED. So let's now program the ESP8266. Now let's see the Arduino IDE program. So here defines all the pins. LED 0 to 7, 8 LED is connected on ESP8266. So LED D0 pin is defined as LED 0 pin. Similarly, D1 pin defined as LED 1 and D7 pin is defined as LED 7. Then in setup function, initialize all the pins, the pin mode, here pin mode output or input. Here all the pins are output mode, so I initialize all the pins as output. In loop, digital write, this D0 to D7, all the pins are digital pins. So here the LED 0 as high, or the delay time set 1 second. 1 second, here the 100 millisecond, or 1 second LED 0 is high, and then after 1 second LED 0 is low. So this this process is always on, first on for 1 second, then off for 1 second, and this process continued. Again, if we change this program, now we want two pins. Two pins are on and at a time, and two pins are off at a time. So here, change the code. Similarly, again, if you want to on all the LEDs at a time, and off all the LEDs at a time. So change the program as here D2, D3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, low all the LEDs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then at first on all the LEDs for 1 second, then off all the LEDs for 1 second. So again upload the program. So here the all the LEDs blink at a time, then off at a time. So now I want to another change. Here one LED is blank and all the LEDs is off at a time. So I remove the ports. Previously I write it. Previous I write it. So now I copy and paste it here. Now see, here is an array. In the array, all the pins as a array elements or array. So here the loop, first loop is I. Here loop is start at 0 and continued at 7. And the second loop is J, start from 0 and continued at 7. And another pin is I. So the LEDs is work as first when I is equal to 0, then J is equal to 0 and J is off. So LED now LED J is low, then LED pin 0 is low, then LED pin I value of I is 1, 0, so LED 0 is high. Similarly, this process is continued. When I is equal to 1, then this loop is continued 0 and 1. So the LED pin 0 and 1 is low off and I is equal to 1, so LED 1 is off. Similarly, I is equal to 7, LED 0 to 7 all is off. Then LED 7 is high on and this process is continued. So again upload the program.